So guys, for the first method, you want to make sure that you have Steam fully closed. Now to do that, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. Now you should be seeing Steam. You want to right click on it, and then click on Exit Steam. This is going to fully close out Steam. Now once you've done that, now you want to head over to search again, and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it, and then click on Program Files x86. Now you want to scroll down till you find Steam. You want to double click on that. Now you want to find Steamui.dll. So we're going to scroll down till we find Steamui.dll. Here it is. You want to delete this. Now once you delete that, you want to head over to search again and type in Steam. Click on it. This will now open up Steam again. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. We're going to be having two download links right here, x86 and x64. To know which one you need, you want to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And now next to system type is going to be telling you, I'm on x64, so I'm going to be getting that one. I'm going to click on this, wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, we're going to click on the installer. And then you want to tick this, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. If you get this, you want to click on yes again. Now once that's been done, you want to click on close. And now you want to open up Steam, see if that works for you. If that's still not working for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find Steam. Here it is. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall Steam. And then once you've uninstalled Steam, you want to head over to any web browser, go to the Steam website and then just install it again. This should now fix your problem.